Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the passage for the aspirants who are preparing for HSSC stenographer exam. Be ready. Start. Honorable members, that the future of this initiative to the Public Work Department Delhi in the amount that the requirement of the citizen that progress of the order in the transaction that more than rupees 200 full stop the amending of the service by the order of this account full stop the trinity in the account that the order full stop Aadhaar and mobile have been helped to the safeguard of the people that the order of the requirement in the order of this technology full stop though gaj ki duri the institution and citizen of our country by the facility that aspiration of the amalgamation to the position full stop there is no assimilated to the initiative by the teachers of the instrument that the development by the result of the academic council Delhi full stop the transfer of property act in the West Bengal full stop the honorable members of the infrastructure that the order of this urbanization at the same time to the notice of the order full stop northeastern state government to the honorable minister that the rehabilitation full stop similarly the historic have been implemented full stop near that home in the earlier to the delivery of this case in the consideration all the time of the innovating that the order of the policy full stop this segment of the order by the consideration that I would like to take that the tolerance of the terrorism by the order full stop the zero hour which the government of the parliament that the determination of the implementation full stop a woman that the background of the atrocities have been elapsed to the jeopardy that arbitration full stop honorable minister that the tragedy of the situation with the order have been committed in the crime that suggestion of article 21 of the constitution of india full stop the order of the aware by the president in the unit trust of india that government of uttar pradesh in the education and the representative of the constituted in the management full stop and over सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन फॉर HSSC स्टेनो एंड ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स ऑफ स्टेनो। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।